Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 7 and Windows 10 in the bootcamp without bootcamp. It's the second processor of the Windows, and it's very good that it automatically have like that, like this program. And thank you to the company Apple that they made like that. We don't need any machine, we don't need any programs to set up Windows 7 and 10. So I just forget. Let me go to, show you. You should first have. You should first to have a USB minimum 8 GB. So if you have, then it must be clean. Okay, let's to show you. You're going to the bootcamp. I already have it, so just need. Okay, it's just you going to a bootcamp, and over there is a showing three. First you just continue, and over there is a showing and three choice. First is to make a disk. Second is to update drivers. Four is a third is a just uh, like install the Windows. So first you have a free USB, like free places. You just choosing first and continue, and you should to download Windows. That I just download Windows 10 Pro 2017. So here I just writing my password. Here just just restarting. It's okay, no problem. You don't need to worry about anything. So you doing first to setup. First you making a disk, choosing first setup, and then other second third we're going to cancel. Then after first you have to 8 GB USB. I'm replying again, 8 GB USB minimum. So you're doing when you formatting your USB, and after it choosing the Windows over there, then you can be back opening the bootcamp again. You choosing the second setup, and in second set. So here just going Windows 10. You don't need to worry about anything. So you just choosing second setup. It's saying update drivers from the Apple to Windows, something like that. Asking you choosing the second setup and canceling other, and it taking 1 hour if you have a good very well internet. If you have bad internet, it's just taking like 2, 3, 4 hours. Probably it's about your internet. So you in middle they asking question about your security. You just you just writing your password and continue waiting until it's finished. So then you coming back in the third setup, making a, and finally the third setup you just choosing, and other is a cancel and continue. It's saying the same thing what I showed. Well, I will show you again. Let me just after finish this one. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we just try to set up Windows 10, and we get a fail because here I have a micro USB. It's a 64 GB. The problem is first I install drivers, then I made a disk. So when you making a disk, the drivers will be deleted automatically. So the problem is that without it, um, so when I continue to install, it's restarting, and 1 hour, more than 1 hour, I waiting for the Windows. It's a showed picture of Windows but not going anything, not doing anything. So I just restarting, and it's saying this one, no bootable. So I just search a solution, and it say you should shut down, then again roll should to find the control option, press control option, because we should to get a yeah, you see, you just control option, you just pressing control option when you're restarting. And so what we have a problem here. It's showed, yeah, these two, pressing control option, and you getting a machine, and you just restarting this machine. That's it, and you come into your videos. Thank you guys for watching videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Subscribe.